Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create Amazon Seller Central account beginners tutorial. So let's get started. So here we are in Amazon Seller Central, and you can already see here what you will need for this process. You would need a valid government issued ID or passport, recent bank or credit card statement, chargeable credit or debit card, and your mobile phone. And of course, you would also need your tax information. So that might be your social security number or EIN. And yeah, that is basically it. Once you have all of those informations, then you are now ready to begin right here. But first, how you can get here. So you basically need to go into Google or any other search engines, and from there you want to go for search apply Amazon Seller Central and go here into welcome to Amazon Seller Central. So when you go here, you would need to log into your Amazon customer account and basically just register for the Seller Central account. And that is basically it on how you can get here. So now once you're here, you can now click here on the begin button here. So click on that. And then after that, we will now be prompted to the next step of the application process. And from here, you would need you to give your business information and the location right here. So in my case, I'll just go for Philippines, for example. And from here, click on agree. And you need to enter your business type first. So in my case, I would go for privately owned business and then the business name right here. So I'm just gonna go and write a dummy one right here. And make sure that your business location and type are correct, and understand that this information cannot be changed later. So you want to make sure that this is absolutely right. So you want to click on agree and continue. And now here we are. So as you can see, we have a total of 5 steps in this process right here. So the first one would be your business information, wherein you would need to provide your business name used to register with your state or federal government, company registration number, registered business address right here, postal codes, and so on right here, including your phone number for verification. After you have provided your business information, the next thing will be the seller information right here. So this is where basically you will be providing your personal information because of course you are the seller. And then the next thing is the billing. So this is where you'll be providing your credit card details and a chargeable one at that. So you want to make sure that your credit card is chargeable. We have already discussed that in the previous page of or previous part of this video. So from here, you want to provide that information, and remember that Amazon offers 2 selling plans. We have the individual plan, which is $0.99 per item sold. You can go for this option. So this is best for those selling fewer than 40 items a month. Or you could go with a professional plan, which is $39.99 per month. So if we search for Amazon selling plans right here, so we can see here how much does it cost, and then we can see the plan right here. So this is where you can provide your information here in the billing section, and this is where you would be deciding if you would want the individual or the professional plan right here, and it would also be your verification process. And then the next thing would be the store. So this is where you would be editing your store information, like your name, bio, and so on, like your profile. So yeah, this is where you will be setting up the first information of your store, and then the verification right here. So this is where you would be playing the waiting game. So you need to wait for the verification to be processed right here if Amazon would approve you to become one of their seller here in Seller Central, and you would have a Seller Central account. So yeah, these are basically the steps that you would need to complete in order for you to proceed. And remember that you can have the FAQ right here, so make sure that you read and understand all of this, like for example the correct format of the phone number. So make sure that you give it in the correct format. And yeah, that is basically it on the steps on how you can create a Amazon Seller Central account. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.